Hi, to delete apps on your POCO X7 Pro, just open Settings on the phone. Now scroll down till you could see this App Settings. Choose it and now you'll see this list of your apps which you can uninstall. Also, you can tap on three dots and choose to hide system services or unhide, but please note that some of the system apps you cannot delete but you can force stop them. For example, we cannot delete gallery, but we can force stop it. For that, just use search bar, manually enter gallery, and as you can see, we got no option to uninstall the app itself, but we can uninstall updates or we can force stop it. Now let's go back and let me hide system services. And now I can see list of apps which I can delete. So for example, let's delete Amazon Music. For that, I'm gonna select it. And now just take a look at the bottom of the display. Here you'd see three options: for stop, uninstall, and clear data. Just choose uninstall. And now in this pop-up window, confirm that it will remove all of app data. So just tap this blue button OK. And that's it. The app is uninstalled successfully. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.